Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Narendra and welcome back to Be10x. Today we are diving into a topic that many of us have encountered while working with Excel, troubleshooting common Excel errors. These errors can be frustrating, but fear not, because by the end of this video, we'll be equipped with some valuable tips to tackle them head on. Before we jump into the solutions, I have an exciting announcement. Be10x is hosting an exclusive workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. In this workshop, we'll explore cutting edge AI tools that can revolutionize the way you work with Microsoft Office. The link is in the description box below. We'll discuss about it later in the video.
Working professionals, are you using Excel, Power BI, PowerPoint, or Word in your day to day life? What if I tell you that you're wasting 95% of your time while you're doing so? How so, you will be asking me? Because you're not using ChatGPT and AI tools while doing all of these work.
Now let's tackle our first Excel error. Here is the hash error. This is called a mysterious error. So we get this error whenever there is a value, but the cell is not having the enough space for that value. Here you can see, so we are having this value, but the cell size is so small that we are getting error. So when I increase the cell size, I won't be getting this hash error. So let's see our second error. So this is called division error. So whenever you are dividing something by 0, we'll get this error. So in our case here we are dividing 6 by 0. So if we divide it by 2, we won't get error. So like any value which is getting divided by 0 will get division error. So this is our second error. Let's see our third error. So null error. Here you can see, so I will show you how this error occurs. For example, here I'm using some function and I'm adding these values, then I'm giving space and I'm adding these values. So I'm closing this thing. You can see a null error. Why this error occurred? I gave space instead of comma. So I will do the same thing here also. I'm using same formula. So I want to add these values. Then I should give comma, then another values. So here you can see I'm not getting any error. Here I got null error. So before we check our next error, I want to tell you something which is very important. The world is changing rapidly with AI playing a significant role in the workforce. The threat of job replacement is real, but you have the power to stay ahead. B10x presents a 2-hour workshop on Microsoft Office using AI tools. By joining our workshop, you will learn about the latest AI tools to boost your skills, increase productivity, and future proof your career. Don't let AI replace you. Become the person who harnesses its potential. Secure your future now by clicking the workshop link in the description box now. Alright, let's get back to our Excel troubleshooting tip. So let's see our fourth error. value error. So I will show you why we are getting this error. So same thing, like if here I'm just going to add these values. Okay, so I'm not getting any error, right? So one value is missing, for example here NA. So we are getting value error. That means here we are adding these values and suddenly one value is missing. So how to solve this error? So for example, from your data you by mistakenly deleted a value. So in that case you can use Control Z to undo that and get the value back. So here also you can see the same thing. And if some value is missing, you can check the original data and change the value, and you won't get the value error again. That's how you solve this error. So now we are going to check the last error in this video, name error. So why we'll get this name error? For example, I want to find the average of these values. So I just type avg average, and you can see I got the name error.